Hi guys, Mitch King with Trade Stocks America with the Tuesday morning, September 21st, 2010 daily stock report. Here's the Dow 30, clearly made a move upward above that August high. This was the first resistance level, so we are set up to continue to move higher. My best guess is that we'll probably continue this pattern for a few days. I think the next day or so, where the FOMC meets to decide interest rates, will likely not be much of a movement, both positive or negative. I think at this point we're getting some short covering, and we're really continuing that Goldilocks environment where everything's just right, not too hot, not too cold in this area, with low volatility as stocks move steadily upwards. Here's the Nasdaq Composite, second up day above that resistance level we saw in August. As you guys keep seeing me draw these lines of where the most logical spot where stocks are going to have a hard time getting through, and here we've clearly broken through that, up 1.74% today on the Nasdaq Composite, really strong day, and the S&P 500 was up 1.5% today as well. Russell 2000 also got a nice big move today, started returning back to outperforming the other indexes by moving up 2.85% today, which is over twice the rate of growth as the Dow 30. So I think stocks are set up to continue to move upwards. We're getting this election coming up here, and we saw that the market rebounded as Obama did the town hall meeting today, aired on CNBC right during the market hours. So that's a pretty strong market that it's rallying. Not sure if that's related. My guess is it probably could be part of that reason, but either way, stocks are continuing to move up, and my guess is that we're going to continue to go up further. Just cover a handful of stocks on the stock list. Here's CGA starting to slowly move upwards and make a bottom. It's been a real slow mover so far. Chipotle moved up another 1% today, real strong stock. Expecting this to steadily continue to move up. This is a core holding on the long side, very strong. Magna's turning up, auto parts sector, looking to see this go over in that 80, possibly $83, $84 here in this next couple weeks is what we'd be trying to forecast. VMW up 3%, software manufacturer, new high today. Solar sector, got a problem with this stock, not really much patience left. I think capture our profits, consider selling this Tuesday. HGSI, Human Genome Sciences, up 1.8% today, nice move. Looking for some higher highs, and this one we're looking for this to continue to move upwards. VIT, big move up today, up 5.2%, clearly an all-time high today by quite a nice margin. We're looking for this pattern to continue to move up here. The same type of chart pattern here, we're expecting this to be looking up in this area, this channel upwards on the upper right-hand corner. So real strong stock, no reason to change that one. Here's Crocs, finally starting to move off that bottom there, up 6.3%. Looking at this getting to that mid-12s. Not necessarily trying to think this is going to go up to this recent high right in here. We're just trying to see if this can get in somewhere in that mid-12s. That might be a little optimistic. Let me point down a little lower there. A new stock idea on the long side, which is a swing, CHSI. We saw this move on Friday on a big down move and our big rebound actually during the seminar for a long scalp here. And this has moved down a little bit early and made a nice bottom and started to move up. Pretty much what I was looking for to get a better price. And we'd probably looking around 40. I would, somewhere around that $40 figure, about $3 more. Just try to watch it and see how it acts. You really don't need a rigid selling price or target price. We're just trying to get 2-3 days out of this on the long side. As long as it's acting good and wherever it lands and you want to sell it, that's what the price would be. My guess is we're going to probably see $40 or close to it. ARCC starting to move up, and you guys know that pattern I'm looking for on these stocks that have been strong. It's to see if it bounces off each one of these bottoms, which is what we saw in here. And as long as that pattern continues, we continue to use that. So you guys know the routine. You take care. Have a great day tomorrow, and we'll talk to you tomorrow night.